Ginger is generally safe when utilized in beverages and recipes or as a seasoning. Some studies show that ginger may help with weight loss. This video on parshealthhtv discusses how to utilize ginger for weight loss, measures to prevent potential side effects, and other information on how ginger can help weight loss. Stick around to the end. Ginger has been found to regulate cortisol, also known as the stress hormone, increase bowel movements, increase energy, lower the risk of heart disease, improve memory and brain function, and improve the immune system. And the effects mentioned in this video are to reduce inflammation, stimulate digestion, and suppress your appetite. It is these properties that some people believe ginger is effective for weight loss. The medical literature has indicated that ginger can be mixed with a healthy diet and daily exercise to help you achieve your desired weight. Ginger is mostly used with other ingredients to assist in weight loss. Let's explore how to use ginger for weight loss, its effects on weight loss, and what ingredients you should consider when combining with ginger to get the best results. How does ginger help with weight loss? Ginger includes compounds called gingerols and shogaols. These combinations may benefit your body's complex fat burning and storage processes. A 2019 analysis gave obese women 2 1-gram powdered ginger capsules every day for 12 weeks. This group experienced a notable reduction in appetite and body measurements compared to those taking a placebo. One related study found that taking ginger had a small impact, compared with a placebo, on decreasing body mass index, BMI, and boosting markers of blood sugar management in overweight, obese women. A study has also indicated that obesity can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is generated by the damaging influences of free radicals in your body. Ginger's antioxidant properties help fight against these free radicals and also help reduce inflammation. This result is more apparent in individuals with a specific set of genes. This could be a clue that ginger is more practical for weight loss in some individuals than others. However, scientists require more research to investigate this. A meta-analysis of studies examining the weight loss advantages of ginger discovered that ginger has a significant impact on your body weight and belly fat, waist-to-hip ratio. Gingerols affect certain biological activities in the body. This active ingredient has anti-obesity effects, helps food digest faster, and promotes the body to speed up the digestion of food through the colon. Research reveals that gingerols can stabilize your blood sugar. Maintaining blood sugar stable can be key to weight loss. Overall, it was seen that ginger decreased the participants' body weight, waist-to-hip ratio, and several markers of blood glucose metabolism. Ginger did not influence other metrics, like BMI and total cholesterol. These properties of ginger don't directly address being overweight. Still, they help you stop cardiovascular diseases and other side effects of being overweight while you're trying to maintain your weight. Current studies on the effects of ginger on some markers of weight loss are encouraging but challenging. Scientists require more research on these subjects before definite conclusions can be drawn. But the advantages it brings to your health are undeniable, so there's no reason not to try some of the following ways to lose weight with ginger water. However, it should be noted that if you have gallstones, you should avoid utilizing ginger and be more careful. Consult your doctor before proceeding. To stay up to date with our informative videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell button. Ways to utilize ginger to lose weight. Ginger and lemon. When you mix ginger and lemon to lose weight, you can get an extra boost to lose weight. Lemon juice can work as an appetite suppressant, plus it has a high amount of vitamin C. How to prepare. Squeezing some drops of lemon to ginger tea or ginger drinks can help you drink more water. This can keep you hydrated and feel fuller for longer, enhancing your weight loss efforts. Drink healthy lemon and ginger drinks 2 or 3 times daily to maximize the hydrating properties and suppress the appetite of ginger and lemon. Apple cider vinegar and ginger. Apple cider vinegar has its own effects for weight loss purposes. Utilize apple cider vinegar with ginger to increase both ingredients' antioxidant and blood pressure regulating effects. Apple cider vinegar also delivers powerful probiotics when utilized with ginger juice, which can increase your gut health as you strive to lose weight. How to prepare. Combine both kinds of water together and drink them. You can prepare ginger tea by steeping a tea bag in hot water and letting it cool before adding apple cider vinegar. If water is too hot, it will kill the apple cider vinegar bacteria and deactivate its healthy bacteria. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey or lemon juice to 1 cup of brewed ginger tea, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, stir well and drink. Drink this tea about once daily, in the morning before eating, to experience the maximum advantages of apple cider vinegar. Ginger and green tea. Green tea is a famous ingredient in weight loss supplements because of its properties that it can boost your metabolic rate. How to prepare. You can also add ground ginger to hot green tea as a way to incorporate the powerful influences of both ingredients. You can also steep a ginger tea bag and a green tea bag together and then add water to keep the tea from becoming too strong. Drink once or twice per day. Do not take too much because green tea includes caffeine. Ginger has the ability to lessen inflammation, promote digestion and suppress your appetite. These effects of ginger lead some to believe drinking hot ginger tea can encourage weight loss. The medical literature suggests that ginger can be integrated with a healthy diet and exercise to help you achieve a healthy weight. Have you ever tried ginger water for weight loss? If yes, please share your experiences with us in the comments section below. We appreciate you tuning in. Wishing you a wonderful day.